Hi guys, welcome back to another video and shout out to Jayant. He has been very persistent. We want to see outdoor unboxings. Abhi, you guys know Indian summers are brutal and the temperatures have reached above 40 degrees. So luckily today was somewhat, I can't say colder. It's definitely not colder. Maybe a little cooler. Temperature was down by 4 to 5 degrees and slight breeze going on. So I took the cars upstairs and here we've got a pair of beautiful Bugattis which I've received recently. This is the blue one. This is the Super Sport Blue, the Bugatti EB110. And this is the EB110 Super Sport. This is Giallo and this is blue. Rest, the name is pretty similar. Packaging, of course, it is identical. This is not a toy. This is an adult collectible item. We've got Bugatti branding on the side. This is number 890. This is number 866, the yellow one. And finally we come on to the rear. Both of them have got that hologram. This also has the Bugatti hologram. This one also has that Bugatti hologram. Quickly I'll just unbox it. I think it's going to be a very short video because this is the first time I'm actually unboxing this on my page. So I just want to take it out and show it to you a bit. The breeze, it might be a little more pleasant for me, but for my boxes and the blisters it's a little risky. What is happening is that the blisters are just flying away. They are getting swept away. So yes, need to be a little careful about that. So right now the first one which we have here, this is the yellow one. So this is the Giallo and very nice. I really like the wheels in this. Both of them have got a very similar spec. This also has silver wheels. Then the blue one, if I have to show you the blue one, this also has silver wheels. That part is pretty similar, only the color is different. Rest the mirrors and designs and all of it very similar in nature. These have got rubber wheels, of course. Then we talk about the front. I think the front, probably this will be a good angle to show you both side by side so that you have a look. So right now I think this is an amazing angle to look at this. They have done a good job. Plastic inserts, they are good. I think the projectors, they could have been a little better detailed, but the Bugatti logo and all of it. I'm using the super wide micro lens right now, so you're getting to see everything way too much zoomed in. Even the wipers and all, they've got some very good detailing. If you have a look at the windshield, if you have a look at the windshield over here, look at the wiper detailing, that is very well done. Even interior detailing is there a little bit. So yes, paint quality, of course, it is very good. And so right now what we have here is the rear of both the cars. The wing is very nice and massive. The plastic insert tail lamps, they are actually very good. I think that is one of my favorite features about both of these. The tail lamps are very well done. Exhaust detailing is also there, and right now probably the phone is casting a little bit of a shadow. If I do this angle, then you can even get to see it a little better. Also, very cool feature here. I think one of the things which really sets this car apart is that engine detail. That rear engine, it's got some very nice details in both the colors. So yes, as I said multiple times, that the cars are identical and there is really not much of a difference. And because both of these are different colors, each of them have their own charm. So these are my first Bugattis by Mini GT, and I'll be honest with you, I am very pleasantly surprised with the level of detail which they have. Base, probably I've not shown it to you guys until now, so base I'll just quickly show it to you. Mirrors are a little flexible in case you guys want to see. Yeah, you can see the mirrors are a little flexible, not too much. This is the base. It's got a little bit of detail at the back. Blue one also, of course, it's got an identical base, but I'm just showing it to you guys. So yes, I am very surprised. I really like this. I think the blue one is a little more iconic. It's definitely a little more iconic in the blue color. If I could have just one of these, I'd probably pick the blue one because it's, just more popular. But the yellow also, I think they've done a very good job with it. These days, a few of the new Mini GTs which are yellow in color, like that R34 lightning yellow, then this one, the paint quality is very good, the paint finish is very good, so I think I like this one also. And both of them, if you get these, then they make a very nice pair. If you had to choose among these, which one would you pick and why? And do you like this casting? Do you like this car? Do you plan to get it? Let me know all of it in the comments. Thank you.